Hi, this is Linda from George Jewellery. This is my new video series, Living a Handmade Life in Nature. The way that the world's been set up, most people live in cities, in high-rises, completely surrounded by concrete and completely disconnected from the earth and nature. It's not an accident the way that this has been set up. It's been done deliberately so that we are disconnected, because being connected makes you feel so good and so happy. You don't need anything else. I come to the river with my dog twice a day, every day. I've got a little power place here where I say my morning prayers of gratitude and thanks every day. And in the afternoons, we come down for a swim. It's magic at the river. It's always changing. Sometimes it's in flood, and sometimes it's very low. Look at all this green grass. It wasn't very long ago that all this grass was brown. All it took was a couple of rains, and now look at it. It's nearly as tall as I am. Very hot here at the moment where I live in outback Queensland. The current temperature is 43 degrees. I'm really looking forward to hopping into this beautiful water. It's brown, but it feels amazing, nice and cool. I'm very fortunate in that I was born in New Guinea and I didn't have a TV until I was 17 years old. So I never really got programmed, and I've always lived my life close to nature and making things by hand. So I thought I'd share some of this with you all. I think there might be a need out there at the moment for some people that have been living the corporate life in the cities and they don't know how to do the things that I take for granted, the things that my mother did, the things that my grandmother did. I'm still doing them, and they make me feel great. Making things by hand is so much nicer than going and buying something from a shop. Making things by hand makes my heart sing, and it makes my soul grow. My soul loves it. It's so much more satisfying to create something with your own hands. The same way that women for generations and generations have done before us. It makes you feel really good. It's so much more satisfying than buying something from a shop. I mean, there are some things you have to buy from a shop. I don't know how to make a washing machine, but I have fixed washing machines, and I have pulled apart old ones to pull the drum out so that I've got a fire pit. Being in nature makes my heart sing too. Everywhere you look, it's beautiful. There's a beehive in that big gnarly tree over there. Wild bees. Time to hop in. That feels better. I think that a lot of our problems started in the industrial age when things got industrialised in the 50s. You know, I'm really, really grateful for the invention of the washing machine, but they took a lot away from us when they encouraged us to stop making things by hand and doing things. You think about it, for hundreds and thousands of years, things were done in a fairly similar way, mostly by women, with their hands, often in groups with other women, which is a beautiful way to connect and have a community. Can you see the little duck? Raindrops on the river. It's a bit windy. So if you like the sound of this, join me in my series as I show you how I live my handmade life. Bye for now.